Hey Kelsey. Okay, so you're going to want to go to edutyping.com and create an account for yourself. And then all I did is set up classes. I just set up classes. So go to set up classes and you create a new class. Give it a class name. I just named it like, I don't know, computer applications first period, grade 6, period 1, and then hit OK. And then once I created the class, I can go into the class and get a shareable link, and I can copy this link and put it on their page. So I just put, for my classes, I created a page that has the links to each class period. And oh, I haven't added it in yet. Okay, so pages, sorry about that. Keyboarding, the basics of typing. I'm going to add that in today. But I just put a link for 3rd period, 5th period, 6th period, and then they have to go in and create their account. And I gave them conventions as to how they're going to sign up for their account. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. But I have them doing typing starting this next Friday and going all through the next week. Have a great weekend.